Happy New
Happy New Year,
everyone. May you have a very prosperous New Year. And this is our simple celebration. We have fried few lumpia, spring rolls, adobo, and we have the rice. And most importantly, we have na ako'y tinulang manok. Sorry. Tinulang manok with bangus, guys. Look. It's steaming hot, guys. Mura ni among pinobre. Kaunta ninyo basta happy New Year. The most important thing is happy kayong lahat. Happy New Year, Canada and Philippines, everyone, my fellow workers before. Kumusta mong tanan? Shout out sa inyong tanan, whole Philippines. Bye bye mga unata.